first, and that would be when the recording starts. I think recording sign can be seen now. Okay.
Yeah, Anshuman, recording has started.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teachers. Speaker for the session, Mr. Piyush Gupta, parents and dear fellow students. Here at DLDAV Model School, we value the importance of our communication for success at work as well as in private life. So, it is with special excitement that I welcome our alumni of Batch 2010, Mr. Piyush Gupta, to our annual gathering for Infinitum. Mr. Piyush is a successful entrepreneur. He is the co founder of Very Smart AI, a leading e verification service. His venture has been awarded as the top 3 global fintech startups of the year by FinTech Galaxy. Very Smart AI has been awarded among the top 5 companies out of 850 RegTech companies across the globe via BBVA Bank. It is a Start Bootcamp and Smart Dubai government selected company. And he has one of the best blogs on communication. Have you ever wondered why you can't take your eyes off some strategic planning technique used to help a person or organization identify strengths, weakness, while others put immediately to sleep? Mr. Piyush is going to demystify the charisma and SWOT analysis for us today, giving us lots of practical ideas that we can immediately put to work when we are going to our school or in our future. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Piyush Gupta as I invite him to address you all. Over to you, sir.
Thank you for this warm introduction. And your research skills are quite good because these things I have never provided. So I'm glad that students these days are focusing on research and you know about your speaker. So I would also like to add that I did my BTech from Delhi College of Engineering, and I was student of Ritu ma'am only, and so I'm part of DAV by heart also because I'm part of the school since my beginning of my journey. I'm in LKG, I guess. So it's quite good that uh, am I audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Perfectly
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Yeah.
You are
Okay.
audible.
Yeah. So it's a very humble experience, and I like to provide my gratitude that I'm being able to give some advice which I have learned in last 7 years, so that you guys can make a better career out of your choices and can pick relevant choices as per your passion. So today we'll focus mostly on how to make yourself a brand before entering into a college, and how to make those 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years of a degree course, of master course, a very fruitful one. Because I can see that lot of students, they are asking doubts like, so what do we need to do after taking non-medical? What do I need to do after taking commerce? What are the career opportunities after humanities? Agreed, all are specialized field, all have different vast options, right? But let's talk about what are the general skills, must have skills, which is required independent of your domain, because these skills will give you an extra edge. It's just like whenever we go to any reality show, they ask now that there is no X factor among in you. You are singing well, but we need a X factor. We need a X factor. So what is that X factor? That X factor is something which can give you edge among others, because we everybody will code among you, right? Some will develop things in Python, some will be a full stack developer down the line, some will do things in robotics, someone will become a very good manager, right? But the X factor is what those skills we'll talk about today. How to bring those X factor in yourself, which we as a recruiter want to see in our employee or teammates or co-founders, right? Which our seniors or our recruiters wanted to see in us. And this is the difference between people who succeed in life and people who have kind of an average life, right? In the end, both are perspective driven words, but for me the successful thing is uh, those who have stability, those who are happy with whatever they are doing, right? Those who are earning well and they have a passion. Averages, they are never satisfied with whatever is coming. They are always chasing after money, but money is not coming to them. They are always chasing towards happiness, but some are not satisfied because either they are in wrong profession, which is not their choice, either they are in dilemma, they are confused every day, right? And they are blaming environment, they are blaming other people for all their unhappiness. So first of all, we need to understand that how to understand ourselves, how to do our own SWOT analysis, right? Because whatever we do in life is reflection of our own efforts, is reflection of our own understanding, right? We cannot blame environment, we cannot blame our exposure, our society, right? You guys need to have exposure of everything. And the basic example is like हम लोग दो ही लैंग्वेज में सोचते हैं, हिंदी या इंग्लिश, राइट? And is there any other language जो आप लोग को आता है? Maybe Bengali or any other regional language. But whenever you think, do you think in Gujarati or in Tamil? Can you think? Right? You can answer. No, na, because we know English and Hindi, so we can think in those languages only. And mostly we think in Hindi. जब भी दिमाग में कुछ thought आता है, reason being because हमें exposure उस language है. We have exposure to that particular language. So without having exposure of other career streams, can you think of something else? Can you go beyond non-medical? Can you go beyond commerce, humanities? Can you go beyond marks? Can you think beyond? Because for that you have to interact with a lot of people. You have to network. So I'll start my presentation because I have put in my effort to make that. So uske bina to there's no point. But it will be. I want this session to be interactive rather than I only speak, because you must be having a lot of doubts, and I'm sure 70% of the doubts will be same, right? So like, can you see my presentation?
Yes, Piyush.
Yeah. So we are planning a career roadmap while you are still in school. Why school? I mean, there should be first question. That's our school mein kyun? I mean, we have college to go, right? Why so much pressure about career? There is no pressure about career, right? But you have to plan your brand from day one. Reason being, today, these days, industry is not only convinced with your degree. They need more than that. They need your CV, and CV, they want to see the real life exposure, case studies that you have done in your college or undergrad or master's. They want to see the practical thing which you know, right? So this is very important, and next 3 years will shape up your life. Believe me, whoever thought कि 10th के बाद तो सब आसान है, स्ट्रीम मिल जाएगा, then 12th के बाद तो बस एक बार कॉलेज मिल गया सब आसान है. No, your life has just started, first of all, right? And this is very important that if you know about these things at this age, तो आप लोग को बहुत फायदा होने वाला है in next 3 years. So somehow we missed our first year or second year, and we didn't know about these things. But I hope that after this session, you guys will have better clarity. So problem is, most of you are confused, right? आजकल कितना कौन confused है career को लेके? Just give the heads up or say yes.
Students, you can raise your hand.
Even chat box is also working.
Great.
Okay.
So all and कौन लोग clear है कि उनको क्या करना है? Can you like write it in a message box or speak up? Those who are clear with their goals.
Use chat window, students.
Anyone? Let me see. Clear. So okay, Vaibhav is clear. So Vaibhav, can you tell me what you want to do?
Vaibhav, you can switch on your mic.
Yes, ma'am. थोड़ा background noise आ रही थी उस time पे.
Oh, no issues. You can also write if there's an issue. You can also write in a chat box.
Actually, I like to go in management field, like just like you from beginning.
I'm not from management field. I mean, yes,
I mean like
career
in
option, but my I did only BTech. I don't have any master's degree.
oh sorry. It was Piyush Bhaiya, I think. He was MBA
I
candidate.
am Piyush Bhaiya only.
Oh, other one. Anirudh.
Anirudh. Okay, so you want to do MBA? That is clear,
Yeah, no,
right?
no. I like to pursue straight from BBA and then MBA
You pursue.
in
Okay, straight
finance,
from
I think.
BBA then MBA. Okay, and what after MBA? What do you want to do?
I'd like to start my own startup, have my own startup by the time I'm having my MBA.
Okay, and have you
But I have not yet decided. Yes, yes.
yeah, speak up, please go ahead.
Uh, I mean, I have not yet decided in what field I have to do my startup, but I think that I'll get to know more about managing and then I'll think what I have to do
Okay, so this
in
field
that field.
looks interesting to you, right? So so
Yeah,
Vaibhav wants
because
to do MBA
I,
because Vaibhav is excited and he likes that people are leading
managing
companies, people are managing
leading
people,
people.
right? Right. And you think you have those skills, right?
Yes,
So like Vaibhav, what should be the next step? Since you are clear, how do you
yes,
don't you think that you should know more about this field? You should interact with these kind of people like Anirudh
yes,
or me or maybe people like us.
yes.
You should know that what we have done, what was the right thing that we have done, what was the wrong step that we
Yes,
took.
but uh,
Hmm?
yeah, you are right. But the problem is that there's not much like interacting thing. Like you said today that you will be providing internship, and this is the first time we are having these kind of things. Like there are more students like me who have to like they like managing field, but there's not much clarity, and parents don't like understand these things. They think that MBA or business field is just a waste of money, and they cannot provide you. First, you have to do BTech or something else.
Right. Okay. Got it. So I'll answer those things in the end. Right. We are solving this issue through this venture stride ahead. But yes, how many people? I mean, see, after a few years, you'll feel resentment once you take a wrong choice in career. Right. You'll feel very resentful. कि काश मैंने वो लिया होता, काश मैंने वो किया होता. Right. And this is data says 70% of the millennials after the age of 24 they feel that they should have took some other courses. And not only those, I mean after 10th only there are many students जो regret करते हैं नॉन मेडिकल लेके या regret करते हैं कॉमर्स लेके या regret करते हैं ह्यूमैनिटीज लेके because they realize कि okay उनको they wanted to do something else. And not only after that, after 12th also, once we choose our college, let's say मैं बीटेक का ही बात करता हूँ, once we choose our stream we regret कि oh shit मेरे को तो कंप्यूटर साइंस में इंटरेस्ट था, why did I took mechanical. Reason being we don't go deep to understand, we don't have trailer. कोई भी मूवी देखने से पहले हम उसका ट्रेलर देखते हैं, राइट? एग्रीड. मतलब कोई भी जब हम मूवी देखते हैं तो ट्रेलर से हमको काफी आइडिया लग जाता है कि ये मूवी कैसे होने वाली है, वेदर इट विल बी थ्रिलर, वेदर इट विल बी हॉरर, कॉमेडी, रोमांटिक, राइट?
Yes, sir.
These things we don't do for when we choose career, which is most important thing, right? Because मैनेजमेंट के बारे में सुनना इज वन थिंग, मैनेजमेंट को परस्यू करना, उसकी हार्डशिप्स को जानना, उसमें स्किल्स क्या चाहिए आप लोग को, like organizational skills, human resource management skills, leadership skills, research and problem solving skills. These all skills are very important part apart from your subject matter skills. So you should know ki in which field you want to do what and will you be able to enjoy that field. Enjoyment is a very important part, right? So don't get panic because once you see why you're panicking, you can see that you are the only reason of your own unhappiness. बिकॉज इन दी एंड डिसीजन आप ही को लेना है, राइट? यस, पेरेंट्स का इन्फ्लुएंस रहता है, टीचर्स का इन्फ्लुएंस रहता है, आपके मेंटर्स का इन्फ्लुएंस रहता है, बट इन दी एंड डिसीजन आपको लेना है, राइट? वी ऑल कैन शो यू पर्सपेक्टिव, वी ऑल कैन शो यू पाथ, राइट? तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आज घर जाके आप अपने पेरेंट्स को बोल दोगे कि नहीं नहीं पापा ये गलत बात है. There is a way. Even parents don't know these days ki what is right or wrong, because see, they have only seen 7 or 8 career options in their lifetime. We have seen 17, 18 career options, right? But there are more than 1,000 career options, right? And there are 200 career options, which is equally good, and it's very diversified field. So what they all need, parents, you, teachers, we all need exposure, right? So there are some solutions out of it. You have to network with people, you have to talk to people before taking any decision, and time is running out. So always take this decision very like in a very serious manner, and follow the people, follow the people. आप ऐसी फॉर्म मत फिल कर देना कोई भी कॉलेज का या कहीं का भी. You have to ask lot of questions. It's very important at this stage of your life. In the end, if you take a wrong decision, your Mona Lisa will become Monday Lisa, and you will be bored. हर मंडे आप उठोगे एंड आपका मन नहीं करेगा वो चीज करने का, राइट? डू यू फील समटाइम्स लाइक दिस कि आज स्कूल नहीं जाना, ये पढ़ना नहीं है? वी ऑल हैव आवर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स, वी ऑल हैव आवर सब्जेक्ट्स जिससे हम लोग दूर भागते हैं, राइट? सो स्कूल तक चलता है, कॉलेज तक चलता है, लाइफ में नहीं चलता, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू टेक अ राइट डिसीजन. It's not your fault, right? Matlab, these are not the factors, it's all ours. So I did a simple Google research, and I found that most of the number of questions on Quora are from India, and mostly are for academic, jobs, career related. Why do we use Quora so much, and itna confusion kyun hai? We have so much of skill development initiatives, we have so much content over internet, we have certification programs, schools are providing this kind of platform. So what is the problem? Why people are not still happy? सोचा है किसी ने? I mean, as per me, the problem is solved, right? You have questions and answer is solved, right? We have lot of content available, we have lot of certifications, skill based courses. But again, despite of all these things, this is the situation. 92.8% are unemployable as per the government data. This is due to lack of actual skills and expertise in their respective fields. 60% of the skills required in industry and academia, I mean, it's missing from academia in the industry. A recent LinkedIn survey suggested that close to 70% Indians feel a lack of mentorship and guidance. And the second part, 20% net happiness and job satisfaction ratio because of career related issue or high family and peer pressure. So where are we missing? Despite having so much of content, so much of platform, why we are not improving? कभी किसी ने सोचा है? I mean, have you ever given the thought about this thing? Any answers you can type in?
People think if we have done BTech, that's all. We have not to do anything else. That's why.
Okay, first, okay. Any other viewpoint?
Lack of guidance, or we are not
Yes,
satisfied
100%
with
true.
our
Lack of guidance.
job.
But what is the reason of lack of guidance? We have so much content. We have so much teachers around us. We have mentors
But,
around
sir,
us.
we have lack of guidance in our new careers that
Sorry?
we just. Sir, we have lack of guidance in our new careers. Just
Oh, okay. So I can frame it that lack of exposure of a new career field, right?
They also don't
Yes.
enjoy what they are in because they are simply in that course because of peer pressure.
Yeah, okay. ठीक है.
Piyush, they are not passionate about what they are doing.
Right. See, the reason is in all the above three answers, I have heard that we are not getting proper guidance, lack of this. This is only thing which is lacking is we are not active enough to ask questions, pursue our passion. Right? We are not active enough. We want कि हम लोग के हाथ में कोई जादू की झड़ी दे दे. We have everything around us. We have network, we have alumni, you can leverage, we have platforms like LinkedIn. Only thing is that we have to find our passion, like ma'am said. We are not finding our passion. Someone said that BTech में लोगों को लगता है कि इसी में करियर है. See, BTech में करियर है. जो actually enjoy करते हैं BTech को, उनके लिए करियर है. I'm not denying the fact. But if you are not meant for that part, because only BTech won't do it. BTech has 25 other branches. Right? There's speciality. After BTech we have masters. Then after masters we have PhD. So जितना आप subject के अंदर deeply जाओगे, उतना you will find your passion. Are you seeing yourself after 5 years doing that thing? You have to. वो आपको आज ही सोचना पड़ेगा. You have to think that whether you will like this after 3 years or 2 years. I agree, totally agree that 10% of the cases, sometimes we find our passion once we do that stuff. But can we do it? Can we leverage data analytics? Can we leverage Google? Can we leverage LinkedIn and mentors to understand the teaser? I mean, kind of a trailer of our life. By understanding that particular chapter. कितने बच्चे, सारे बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड है कि बीटेक में एडमिशन लेना है. कितने बच्चे यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट कि सर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन में क्या होता है, आईटी और कंप्यूटर साइंस में फर्क क्या है. राइट? कॉमर्स में हमें सीए करना है तो टैक्सेशन में जाना है या ऑडिट में जाना है. Nobody is asking me skills required for that particular branch. So problem here is that are we lacking those skills जो क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करने में यूज होता है.
Okay.
And everything comes around to us. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
There's a hand raised twice. Actually, I saw a student raising hand twice. Mukul Khera. He needs to ask you something, I guess.
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, is I am audible?
Yeah, yes.
Sir, if we ask many of persons, then they are all having their own perspective. Then
Yes. Hello. You are not audible now.
Please complete yourself. Mukul, the question that you want to raise is?
ma'am, is I am audible?
You're audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, then all having their own perspective, then we are always confused that everyone is giving their own ideas that this field is good, this is, and we are
Right.
And you
Actually,
get
I think he
influenced
wants
by
to
every
say-
other person. Mukul wants
Yeah.
to say कि he gets influenced. Most of us gets influenced by others' perspective because
Yes.
everybody,
And Mukul, yes, I totally agree.
everybody is
I have
giving their
understood the
own
question.
ideas.
Yeah,
I've understood
actually
the
wants to
question.
say that.
And technically, I should take a session not only for student, but teachers, parents, and students. All three are stakeholder of my session basically. And I totally agree that this thing we need to teach to the teachers and parents both. That yes, we can provide perspective to the student, right? We should not influence them. See, they don't want bad for you. They want a good life for you. And they have seen a good life in someone else by doing that. It's not their mistake. What you need to understand is you have to do your own SWOT analysis, your strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. You have to understand what is your passion. You have to do a research about that passion and kind of give a presentation to your parents कि this is what I want to do, right? लेकिन आपका जो confusion है, I totally agree कि this is a common problem and only way it can be solved is through counseling, through a family counseling and through a psychometric assessment. If you are confused कि आपको क्या करना है, do your psychometric assessment, try stuff which you like, right? Because sometimes if you say कि let's say I like sketching, okay, you like sketching, but if you can take a part, if you can go to NID, National Institute of Design, NIFD, then it's quite good. Else you can try your hobby side by side, build a career around it, but parents don't want you to waste your graduation in the end, right? But never ever take something which you can't manage, because yes, BTech, commerce, anything, CA, if you take and if you don't give justice to that part, na, it will be a bad thing for you and for them both. So it's very
Piyush, one thing I
important
want
to
to
have.
ask, unless and until we first, uh, Piyush, can I ask one thing from whatever you have
Yes.
just said? Unless and until a child, tries, how he will come to know whether he can pursue a particular thing or not? Because at this
Ma'am,
point, most of the students, they don't know much about the availability of the things that are there.
I
I mean,
totally
the
agree, ma'am.
courses that
That's
are
why,
there.
yes, ma'am. That's why I
Meru ma'am,
asked
I
them.
want to add one point. Just let
Yes.
me speak, Piyush. Meru ma'am, I want to add one point. What I have observed during these my teaching years, children don't want to take their own decisions. Like they have a fear while taking the decisions. Uh, and we should make ensure that whatever decision they want to take as a parent, as a teacher, we should support our students ki in whatever their decision, if they are getting the success or they are about to fall, we are there. We are there for their hand holding, but they should
Definitely.
start.
I totally agree with you, Ritu ma'am. I totally agree. But the
But
students
they
should
should
have
take. They should start taking their own decisions.
but they should have in-depth knowledge of whatever they want to do.
Right, ma'am.
First
For
of all.
that, the only for that I have few.
Without having in-depth knowledge, also we should encourage them to take the decision.
For that, I have few tips. I have few tips for you. Like I told you, before watching any movie, we watch trailer, right? Same goes for career. Before pursuing any career, एक चीज जो स्टूडेंट को खुद से करनी है, एटलीस्ट वो अपने 3 करियर ऑप्शंस या 3 फील्ड्स स्टडी करे, एटलीस्ट अपने सारे चॉइसेस को 3 या 4 में, बिकॉज वी कैनॉट teach you everything for 7 or 8 career options. At least 3 tak we can find out our passion, right? Once you are comfortable with those 3-4 career fields, you should take a master class or a one-to-one mentorship with the expert who is working in that same field, and जिनको ज्यादा नहीं 5 या 6 साल का 4 साल का experience है, because they will tell you the reality of that career option. They will tell you the skills which will be expected out of you, right? And not only they will tell you, they can give you some activities, some case studies which you can try. For example, if I want to become a data analyst, right, I might give you क्या Microsoft Excel में आप Microsoft Excel सीखो and do these kind of activities so that students can learn hands on. So hands on workshop is very important at school level. So we are trying to create a course material specifically for beginners. It's very important. What is the problem with content is that internet have lot of content, and mostly whenever we type something, I need to learn Python and all, we get something which is meant for someone who has intermediate or expert level. It's very hard to find quality content. So it's very important initially a one-to-one counseling or mentorship with the expert itself, right? That is the first solution. Second solution is leverage YouTube, because in YouTube you will find a 5-minute 6-minute videos of very good career options, right? You have to use right keywords. You can leverage your teacher's advice and mentor's advice, start picking up those keywords and make your diary or journal. Okay, these are the skills, these are the activities which I can do. If you're loving it, do this activity for straight 1 week. If you're actually liking it, pursue it. Then understand ki acha, future mein what are the degree courses, what are the master courses which I can do in these things. What are the maybe pay scales? Yeah, India के बाहर इसका क्या option है? We forget one thing whenever we do counseling is demographic is a very important factor. कोई चीज का वैल्यू अगर जर्मनी में ज्यादा है, right? For example, mechanical engineering has a lot more value in Germany than India. Understand कि if you want to have a deep knowledge about it, what you can expect in India, right? India में they only pick from good colleges. So again, it's a part of research work, and only mentor can guide you. You need to have one mentor, 1 or 2 mentor, follow them religiously, at least for next 1 month or 2 months. So this is how mentorship process works. I'm not talking about teaching. Teaching is way different than mentorship, right? So in any case, we are there to help you in building a career mindset. So today's session is basically that no matter, let's forget about our streams, what skills which we in any case we need, whatever we do. Because even if you are a bad engineer and you are good with communications, good with presentations, any company which need थोड़ा बहुत technical knowledge, but उनको sales करवाना है, they will hire you, right? So ऐसा नहीं है कि in life में if we make a bad decision, then also we have options. So one thing always forget, there is no bad options, right options. Life में कुछ ना कुछ होता है, you have to have a bounce back option. So always have a bounce back attitude. Failures, you will face a lot of failures in life. We all face a lot of failures in day-to-day life, right? Pandemic has taught us many things. We have learned how to leverage things using online medium. हम लोगों ने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था, right? So you should have always have a bounce back attitude rather than a disappointment attitude. Have a bounce back attitude. So see, work on these three things: curiosity, clarity, confidence. Right, developing a career mindset helps students focus on specific career interest areas. So you can begin your plan together for a successful future. So curiosity is very important, right? So this thing, work on your curiosity. Then comes your clarity. I mean, clarity is something when you have clarity, then you can work on that area deeply. And for clarity, you can leverage your school's alumni database. You can leverage LinkedIn, talk to someone who is expert in that field, have a proper clarity, total in and out, right? And that discussion is beyond, that is not one-to-many discussion, that is one-to-one discussion. Because every child is unique, every student is unique, you have your own strength, your own weakness. Having a proper clarity so they can guide you कि ठीक है, if you want to become an engineer in computer science, आपको data science जाना चाहिए, DevOps में जाना चाहिए, या web design करो. Because web design में you need coding skills, but you also need creativity, right? So there are many things which experts can tell you. And then confidence. Once decision has been made, be confident, enjoy it. Every day, work on it. We have a lot of material available online. We have a lot of activities online. Do internships, have exposure, work on companies. ठीक है ना? Have negative feedback from your managers. Then you will improve. But, and last and most, have patience. Perseverance is the most important thing in 21st century, apart from emotional intelligence. So once you have confidence, na, any recruiter will like you. And confidence comes in when we love our subject, when we can talk daily about our subject. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि there are certain topics जिसमें हम लोग घंटों बातें करते रहते हैं because we simply love it. And there are certain topics जहाँ पे हम contribute ही नहीं कर पाते. So once you talk your own subject, your own field, na, people will like you in any case. Recruiters will love you. Once you are in college, officers will love you. And then after your job, your boss will love you. So you will have edge among others. So question is, what should we do now, right? So only answer is upskill yourself. Upskill on daily basis, upskill yourself. What is upskilling? It's a process to upgrade and to level up one's skills and potential capabilities by undergoing certain training and development programs. This leads to collective experience, more knowledge, and a highly productive performance. Right? All the leading organizations are nowadays focusing a lot upon upskilling sessions. They have proper training modules, short-term courses to upgrade their employees' skills and performance. Right. So what is the difference between upskilling and reskilling? I mean, reskilling works for teachers also, professors also, right? Because see, after gaining some skills, we have to adapt new skills, right? In our days, we used to program in C++ and C, right? Nowadays, Python comes, then there is no code development, then there are other things coming. So reskill teaches individuals new skills to adapt the dynamic needs of the market. It makes one acquire new skills altogether and forget older ones. So learning and unlearning is very important part of life, right? Yes, algorithm remains same. The basic fundamental always remains same. But then you will always have more confidence in whatever you are doing, right? It is like teaching algorithm to a designer and training a painter to become a surfer. Any questions? Any doubts?
Yes, students are raising hands in between actually. So yes, Mohit Gupta too. I
Yes,
can see,
I mean
and
because I'm not able to see the
Suraj
screen,
Bajaj.
so you guys can speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, then Mohit first, and then Suraj can ask the question.
Sir, I want to
Yes.
know that which career I should choose, the career in which I have interest or the career in which I have skills.
The career in which you have skills. So I am expecting that you have interest in that career also, right? I mean, see, skills
Sir,
and interest, they come hand by hand. So they are very
sir,
connected terms.
like in which career I have interest, I have happy, but the in career I have skills, I am not happy.
Can you give me one example?
Like sir, I have interest in software engineering, but I am little bit skills in that. But I have
But
skills
you are
in
skilled in.
data analyst.
So why you are not connecting software engineering with data analytics? Hello.
Sir, I have not a lot of guidance.
No, you are not allowed. Again, we are blaming other people. Just understand. Just understand. You have interest
Sir,
in data
I
analytics.
know about the commerce data analyst.
Commerce data analyst. Then again, let me tell you. Suppose, let me give you one very maybe a vague example. Suppose Facebook is our company, right? And I am developing the platform Facebook, and I want to see कि कौन लोग मेरे ads को purchase कर रहे हैं, कितने बार. Got it? मेरे कौन कौन से ads को people are purchasing in Facebook. People advertise their businesses in Facebook, right? इतना सबको पता है?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
I will come to you and I will say कि यार आप ना analytics, मेरे को ये analytics बताओ, कितने लोग दिल्ली से कर रहे हैं purchase, कौन कौन सी फील्ड में कर रहे हैं, डे कितना कर रहे हैं. You will make a model around it, right? Analytics का पूरा मॉडल बनाओगे आप. And I am a software engineer. So you are working with me, right? So you will have a knowledge of software engineering also in that way. Because you know मैं कहाँ पे कौन सा बटन लगाऊंगा, कौन सा कहाँ यूजर क्लिक करेगा, and I will get the analytics of that thing. Because to have a proper analytics, you need to make user to make some movement. You need to make some choices, right? Then only you will get to know about him. कि उसने कहाँ पे क्या क्या किया
So,
है.
sir,
You will know
where should I
geographic
get
location.
guidance that I
You are getting guidance as of now because this is my field. But yes, the end goal is you should pick a mentor who is working in those areas. They will tell you. And any good person who is into computer science engineering, working with any data analytics company, will tell you that, right? Another thing is leverage
so
YouTube,
where
leverage
should I
Quora.
get that?
So see, our company focuses on these things. So after this session, I'll give you all feedback form and interest. So somehow I will try that if I can address 70%, 80% of the audience, but we'll connect you. So have one-to-one mentorship. So don't worry, we have platform like us also. So there are many platforms like us, right? And be grateful to the DAV school that they are providing you this platform because many students are still lacking these kind of interaction. So you are getting that experience abhi, ठीक है ना? So and don't worry, I mean once you know कि आपको करना क्या है, just be, I mean if we call it in a very weak term, be बेशरम, be extrovert, ask your doubts. जब तक वो clear नहीं होता, don't do anything, right? Make a journal. Don't take career decision lightly in any case, right? And there are a lot of tertiary branches, sub branches of our interest. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर मैं sketching कर रहा हूँ तो मेरा career नहीं है. I can become a very good UI UX designer. Only I need a proper guide. We all know the story of Milkha Singh, right? उसको बस भागना आता था, right? He didn't know कि Olympics में कैसे भागना है. तो देखा जाए तो भागने में कोई करियर नहीं है. But if you are an athlete, then you are a champion, right? So only thing, the bridge is the mentor and your passion. People need to see your passion. कोई भी mentor आपको वैसे guide नहीं करेगा once they are not clear with your passion. कि आपको यही करना है, राइट? एंड इफ यू आर नॉट क्लियर विद व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, कोई भी कितने स्टूडेंट्स होंगे जिनको अपना पैशन ही नहीं पता, just keep hunting things, see teasers, do master classes, become jack of all trades. Okay, so like these are the areas where you can soft skills, presentation skills, communication skills, right? These are very important must have skills. How to write email, how to search for content, how to leverage presentations. Any field will expect these skills. You should know how to use technology, if not code technology. AI, web dev, DM, digital marketing. अगर आपको deep down नहीं जाना, at least आपको इनको leverage करना आना चाहिए. One thing which you will learn from your own school, they are leveraging YouTube to make a digital repository content, right? They are leveraging Facebook, they are leveraging WhatsApp community, right? So they are leveraging, but they are not digital marketers in the end. So leverage technology. Creativity is very important because AI can take up many jobs. No one can take creativity. And when it comes to creativity, it means coming up with content, become a public figure, become a professor, become a designer. Everybody is creative, right? Because creative people changes, become politician, leaders, right? We all know how creative is our Modi ji, right? He knows how to play with words. People management is very important. If anybody wants to become an entrepreneur, a manager, wants to pursue MBA, this is the must-have skill. This is the only thing which you will be taught in MBA schools. वो आपको एक organization का तरीका बता देते हैं. Perseverance. You should know how to wait. You should be able to handle failures. Resilient, right? Because don't expect कि life में failures नहीं मिलेंगे. And life is, there is no destination in life. Life is a journey itself. So you have to be perseverant. And problem solving skills. If you're a problem solver, everybody will love you. Any company will appreciate you, and you will be asset for anyone. Right? I'm not talking about only code
Piyush,
wala
I
problem
saw.
solving. Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry. Actually, I saw. I don't know. I hope Mohit's question has been answered because I see another name coming up here. Yagik wants to ask a question, and then Suraj and I saw various hands actually raised in between. So
Right. I
Yagik
mean,
first,
see, you
Suraj,
always can
Megha.
ask a question. It's better if I answer
know.
your question. Yeah. It's better if I
Yeah,
answer
that-
all the questions. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, my
Yagik,
question
you
is,
may ask.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, my question is, what can we do if we don't get admission in any good or reputed college?
आपका voice चला गया पिछले 5 सेकंड में. What can we do?
Okay.
Sir, what
If
can we
we
do if we don't get admission in any good and reputed college?
What can we do if you are not in a reputed college, right?
Yes.
See, if you're not in, that's what I said. I mean, you can see the current slide. If you're not in a reputed college, this is the formula to be at par with them. Because in reputed college, only thing that we learn is exposure, and we take benefit out of it. There's no hidden secret about those colleges, right? Professors उतना ही time देते हैं जितना वो बाकी colleges में देते हैं, right? Only thing is we connect with like-minded people, we improve our soft skills, we improve. हम लोग discussion करते हैं. We on daily basis we used to discuss technology कि क्या next होने वाला है. And when I saw my peers, तो मेरे को लगने लगा कि यार I need to focus more on my people management. I was very introvert when I was in college. So these skills are very important, even if you are in not so reputed college.
Piyush, I remember you were very introvert in the school also. In the school also, you were very introvert. I think I don't
Yes.
remember you have ever interacted in the class.
Yes, I never interacted. I mean, but the thing is, one day one of my mentor told me कि Piyush हद से हद बेइज्जती होगी ना, हद से हद you will get insulted. Do it because it's important. So it's very important to come out of your comfort zone. Even if you get not so good college, you should know कि आपको करना क्या है. क्योंकि चलो कॉलेज में आपको डिग्री तो मिलेगी in the end, right? डिग्री से आपको जॉब नहीं मिलने वाली. डिग्री से IITian को भी जॉब नहीं मिलने वाली. डिग्री से DTU के बच्चे को भी जॉब नहीं मिलने वाली. Not even a CA gold medalist. राइट. जॉब मिलने वाली आपको अपने स्किल्स के बेसिस पे. डिग्री विल गिव यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ रिक्रूटर और टू स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस, राइट? नॉट मोर देन दैट. Get letter of recommendation from your recruiters, do internships, get exposure of that field. प्रॉब्लम तब आएगी once you are in not so reputed college and वहां पे भी आप अपना पैशन नहीं ढूंढ पाओगे. प्रॉब्लम कम्स देन बिकॉज AI ट्रिपल ये अपना IIT JEE हो गया एक दिन के एग्जाम के बेसिस पे वी कैन नॉट जज आवर करियर्स, राइट? इट कैन गो रॉन्ग आल्सो, राइट? So don't be disheartened if you don't get a good college, but then focus. That bigger goal is not college. You will realize it 5 years down the line. Nobody asks us college. ठीक है ना? किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता मैं DTU से हूँ, मेरी AI ट्रिपल में क्या रैंक आई थी. Nobody cares in the end. They care कि मैं अब क्या हूँ, right? And you have someone introduced myself. किसी ने भी मेरा रैंक नहीं बताया DTU का. Right. They all told me that my company won this prize. We do this thing because I followed my passion. And इसका कॉलेज से एक important लेना देना है, but उससे ज़्यादा important लेना देना है कि I took a step. हर कोई मेरे कॉलेज से famous नहीं है. Right. And famous is also perspective-driven word. Sorry to say. I mean, I'm happy whatever I'm doing. So that's important. In the end, you should achieve that. What I feel. So I'll give you one example. Can you see the LinkedIn timeline of a person? I can't take his name. He just have a BCom degree. आपका अंत पे हो गया. He just have a BCom degree, and within 10 years, he is a senior associate at Goldman Sachs. Right? He worked as a pharmacist, did customer sales, and now he became vice president in Goldman Sachs, one of the most reputed financial firm. I hope I have answered your query. It doesn't matter आप कहाँ से start कर रहे हो. It matters आप कैसे start कर रहे हो.
Yeah, Suraj also had something to ask. I see a number of people. Sumedha, Suraj.
Yes, please. If anyone of you have a general query, you can simply ask me. Like if there are 2-3 people have common questions, you can collate and ask me on their behalf.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. So my question is, I have heard that research is also an important aspect for profile building. So if it is, then how we have to do it, and we have to do it alone or under anyone's guidance? Thank you.
Sorry, can you rephrase? I can see there's a lot of noise.
Yeah, sir. So I have heard that research is also an important aspect for profile building. If it is, then
Research,
how we have to do it, and we have to do it alone or under anyone's guidance? Thank you.
Obviously take guidance of people, because sometimes research becomes very biased. So you can leverage Google to great extent if you know how to type keywords, because Google is a tool. You should know how to do keyword. You should know in what area you want to do research. And for profile building, so here I'll give you 2 examples. If you want to build your profile, तो अभी से आप अपना resume बनाइए. Write down all your skills, what you want to do, explore that career option, do research, do internship, or make a project on your own. Like ma'am told me, I guess in previous lecture, that many students have made game in Python or something like that. Write down about what did you actually make. Can you make something like else? Make your LinkedIn profile, connect with people, do your research at the end, but keep building your profile side by side. Because if you're not making your profile, you should know how to sell yourself to the recruiter. Right? We drive interviews. Understand? Whatever we do, we drive the thing. In front of recruiters, they don't drive the thing. You have to tell about your special quality, and you will only be able to tell once you know कि आप किस चीज में अच्छे हो. Right? So do your research accordingly. Right? Just don't do research anyway. हमें कुछ भी बस research करना है. Do your research. Find your passion first. Right? Next question.
Yes,
how to apply
Sumedha, you
for
may ask.
right
Sumedha, and then
internship?
after that, Parchan may ask a question. I saw this.
I'll share the link in the end. You just scan that QR code, or I'll provide the link to Meru ma'am, and also give the feedback form. So just fill that feedback form, and I'll provide you those links. Okay.
So like
Answer is paid.
Sorry. Hello.
Is the internship paid?
Internship is paid for deserve. Right? We have a filter process, so we don't wish to take more than 10 students from DAV. Right? So totally depends on your performance. If you are worthy enough, and if we think that you are an asset, so obviously we'll pay you. But don't
Thank you,
focus
sir.
on the payment part. Focus on that what you will do at this, right?
Okay, sir. I'll keep that in mind.
Piyush, I have one query.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of our students are very good, and in case you see their profile while filling their feedback form, you may take them as a mentor instead of giving them internship. Maybe some of may be eligible to give the mentorship to, because there are many students who have made wonderful projects using Python and MySQL.
Great. I'm looking for those candidates. I'm looking forward to meet them and see. We are always open because I know that what problems, what challenges I have faced when I was in my college. So I totally and I appreciate these kind of talent. So
Okay,
yes, I'm forward to meet them.
thank you.
Yeah. So so what career aspirants need to do? Do we have any other questions?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask a question. Like you said, first step is to know yourself, then second step is to find your mentor, and third step to develop skills, right? So, in the first step, when you are going to know yourself, you do you think like we should try our hands in what we are
I missed your voice.
like
I missed your last 5 seconds.
uh, I wanted to ask like internship are some kind like we should try what we want to do, what our choices are. We should try once, and then when we practically do them, then we get the scenario what we are going to be in our future years. Like then we get the perspective like what we are going to be, so then we will be more clear for what we are going to do, right?
Mhm. Right. Yes, right. So what is the question?
So the question is like where are we going to get these opportunities? Like
I mean, we are providing that opportunity, especially for beginners only. So if you see our virtual internships positions, we are providing only those opportunities which is a must-have knowledge. We are not providing specialized, like ma'am said that there are very good coders in Python, those who have made things in SQL. So that will be a special internship opportunity if I can find something for them, right? Otherwise, all internship that we are providing is a must-have skill that you need to have, right? Even if you're a developer, even if you are a lawyer, even if you want to pursue medical, there are certain skills which you need to have. So I will say, when you are beginning,
yes,
find learn the must have skills first, right, which will give you edge over others. Then after that, whatever area you are working in, any case आप लोग उस पे काम कर ही रहे होंगे, then try to find internships for that, because nobody will give you, until unless you make some kind of project, nobody will give you specialized internship on those areas, right?
yes, sir.
So try to first of all gain the basic knowledge. I mean, there are certain knowledge which we call it road to success, must have skills if you want to do internship. I don't want to give internship to someone जो कि मेरे लिए report ही नहीं बना सकता दिन के end में, right? You need to show me आपने किया क्या है. You should know how to present yourself. You should know how to write emails. You should know how to do basic marketing, make PPTs, right? These are in any case, अगर आप अपना project भी बनाते हो Python में, you should know how to present it in front of, let's say, government of Delhi के आगे आपको opportunity मिलता है to present your game or present your web application. You should have those kind of skills. So right now we are focusing on that. And to answer your query, you can see the slide. That do your SWOT analysis, that what you want to do, in which area you want to pursue. Talk to those mentors, right? And if you are not able to find those mentors, you can always join our community of Stride Ahead. We'll try to connect you with those people, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Tanish, please ask. You requested to be heard.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Good morning, respected teachers and Piyush here. Yeah, my question is, you have led a lot of emphasis on effective networking. And I once heard
Huh.
that we should try to provide value to someone before we take it for effective networking. So my question is, how can we provide value to someone who is actually themselves better on a better stage than us already? How can we provide value to them?
You can add value to them, matlab, invite them to school, DAV sir for as a speaker, right? This is one of the idea. Uh, talk to them that you know about their stuff. जैसे मेरे बारे में अभी किसी ने स्टडी किया कि ऐसे ऐसे किया है मेरी कंपनी ने, we like it. Everybody likes it. If you talk to them, they know कि okay, you have studied them. So there are certain ways you have to appreciate their efforts, their contribution to the field. Then ask them to take out 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Make your questions scripts. आप पैराग्राफ में क्वेश्चंस मत रखो, 3 या 4 क्वेश्चन उनसे पूछना है, वो क्वेश्चंस आपके रेडी होने चाहिए कि सर दीज आर माय 4-5 क्वेश्चंस एंड आई विल बी ग्लैड अगर आप इसको आंसर कर दो, right? And don't focus on only one mentor. Pick only 5 to 6 mentors. Leverage alumni database. School teachers can connect you with your alumni, right? So I totally believe that we should have an alumni social network. We are trying to build one, but yes, leverage your alumni because वो लोग आपको अच्छे से connect कर देंगे. Then leverage your father's connection, your parents' connection, your bhaiya and all, everyone. They might know someone. उनसे आप बात करो. Third thing is leverage platform like ours. You can come to us, then we can connect you. Maybe that will be official thing. Fourth is leverage LinkedIn. LinkedIn पे आप जाओ, Facebook पे आप जाओ, find those people. या कोरा पे जो लोग आंसर कर रहे हैं, उनका प्रोफाइल चेक करो LinkedIn पे. This is not stalking. This is actually networking. So you have to be clear. Do research about them, write them, appreciate them. They, chances are 70% chances are that they'll reply.
Okay, thank you,
Right?
sir.
I've written. You can see the slide. Right. So internship and industry exposure is very important. You should be actively expanding your network. Practice your soft skills. Communication skills are very important for your career growth. And when I say communication, it is not only English. You should know how to communicate your thoughts. चाहे वो हिंदी, English, Bengali, whatever language, you should know how to communicate your thoughts. Right. तभी आप अपने colleagues के साथ, अपने friends के साथ एक network बना पाओगे. Right. So a passive, dull voice does not give a very good impression. So this shows that you are not confident in your thinking, and you cannot express yourself very clearly. So learn that, right? And these are the tools which you can make productive, which can make you productive. LinkedIn, spreadsheet, Excel, सीख लो. जितनी जल्दी सीखोगे better है. हम लोग को स्कूल में कंप्यूटर साइंस की वैल्यू नहीं पता थी. कॉलेज में आके भी अंडरस्टूड की सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट वही था, right? If you are pursuing your career in computer science, PowerPoint slides, Google Docs, टास्क कैसे, अपने टास्क कैसे डेली लिख के रखने हैं, मेक योरसेल्फ प्रोडक्टिव, कैलेंडर शेड्यूल कैसे बनाना है, अपना ग्रोथ कम्युनिटीज को ज्वाइन करो लिंक्डइन में और डिस्कॉर्ड में और व्हाट्सएप पे ज्वाइन. एंड हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉर कॉलेजेस. सो नैरो डाउन योर कोर्स चॉइसेस, start finding colleges for the same. Use sites like collegedekho.com. Find out important dates. एक्सेल शीट में लिख के रखो कब स्टार्ट है, कब खत्म है, एंड उसके बारे में डिस्कस करो अपने मेंटर से, राइट? So these are some of the advice, and you can always leverage mentors. ठीक है ना? Now you can ask your questions. ठीक है? And this is the hiring link basically. You can I'll offer that link to everyone. ठीक है? तो आप लोग इसको leverage करो. And any other questions?
Is anyone who has any question?
Internship? In how many months?
Sorry?
What would be the duration of internship for how many months? And as a student
Internship.
now, like they're going to appear in class 12th and the class 11th will be going to be in class 12th. So what is the good time to join the internship with you?
So internship, we will start internship from January. From January itself, we'll start internship. It will be mostly for 1 month or so. And
Okay. So
good time is that
side
we
by side they can
student.
continue with their studies now. It is not going to hamper their studies. You know,
No,
it
no,
won't be like how many hours they have to work for that?
2 hours daily.
Okay, fine.
I feel it won't. But again, it depends, totally depends from student to student. If they are they have a lot of backlog or something to study, so I'll say that you can join our next batch, right? So that is, I mean, don't I mean, obviously it won't hamper your study, but sometimes I know students, they miss their uh, course curriculum, and then internship becomes excuse for them. So I don't uh, want that case also. This is the feedback form that I have shared. So students can see this feedback form, and I'll also share the internship link. Uh, so do fill this feedback form. If you need any other career options, you can always mail me. Uh, right. And these are the opportunities for top performers. Right. You will learn from industry experts, content writing, graphic designing skills. These are skills, you'll realize it. Right. You'll develop skills of management, creativity, reading industry trends, opportunities to unlock one-on-one mentorship. Right. And those students who feel that abhi hum log internship ke liye ready nahi hai, we have also launched a master class, kind of a micro learning program, where we are teaching this industry must have skills 101. So we'll make we call it Stride Road to Success program. In this program, we teach students a lot about how primary focus is management skills, presentation skills, marketing skills, and these skills are expected today from all the recruiters for almost all positions they are hiring for, irrespective of your domain, right? And so why Striders loves us? Because we provide LinkedIn recommendation, letter of recommendation, interactive live sessions, and we have top industry mentors from McKinsey, Accenture, Uber, Google, Gojek. Right. So you will have the mentor which you want, and the mentor is kind of your bade bhaiya or didi. So you can ask doubts khul ke, right? You won't have to. I mean, this is something which people appreciate about us. So any other doubt? I guess time is 1:05. So
Yeah. So
if you have any other doubt, you ask me.
Sanjana Pal has raised a hand, and
सर मुझे डाउट ये था कि अगर आपको एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब और एक अच्छी प्राइवेट जॉब में ऑप्शन दी जाए तो क्या चूज करना चाहिए?
डिपेंड्स ऑन आप दोनों जॉब में आप क्या करने वाले हैं.
सर लाइक मेरे पास अभी तो ऑप्शन है, मेरे को कोडिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, बट एट द सेम टाइम मेरे को कहीं ना कहीं पापा ने बोला है कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब है, 10+2 की एलिजिबिलिटी है, तो मैं किस फील्ड में जाऊँ?
Ask them to talk to me. So see, this is not how you pick your career. कि पापा ने बोल दिया गवर्नमेंट जॉब में स्कोप है, ऑब्वियसली स्कोप है, बट आप करोगे क्या, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. गवर्नमेंट जॉब में वी हैव इसरो आल्सो, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में वी हैव बैंक पीओ आल्सो, गवर्नमेंट की जॉब में वी हैव ये सीबीआई आल्सो. तीनों फील्ड बहुत डिफरेंट है, तो आप करोगे क्या, मुझको ये नहीं समझ आ रहा. गवर्नमेंट जॉब में वी हैव टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूशंस आल्सो, CDOT एंड ऑल. व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट जॉब कम सेकेंडरी, राइट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि उनका फैक्टर गलत है. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि उनका फैक्टर बहुत बाद में आता है. इससे पहले आप ये तो ढूंढो. आप 4 साल बाद अगर रिग्रेट करोगे कि मैं डेली यहाँ पे जा रही हूँ एंड ये बैंक के स्टेटमेंट्स पढ़ रहे हूँ और पैकेज अच्छा मिल रहा है, बट इफ यू नॉट एंजॉयिंग दैट पार्ट, विल यू बी एबल टू ऐड एनी वैल्यू टू द कम्युनिटी और योरसेल्फ? विल यू फील कंटेंट इन द एंड? So here we need to learn how to define our questions. That comes, उनको बोलो पापा that comes secondary. I need to find my passion first. हाँ, फिर प्राइवेट में अगर आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जॉब दे रहा है इंजीनियरिंग कंप्यूटर साइंस में, और वो आपको कोई CDOT दे रहा है सेम फील्ड में, देन यू पिक. देयर लॉट ऑफ चॉइसेस कि आपको इंडिया से बाहर जाना है, बैंगलोर जाना है, या दिल्ली में मिल रहा है. लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स. देयर इज नो जनरल आंसर फॉर दिस थिंग, एंड आई एम नॉट सपोज्ड टू गिव यू दैट जनरल आंसर. देयर लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व. I'm giving you the path. These are the questions you should ask. Any other questions?
Yeah, I guess Piyush, they've got a lot of clarity now after this session, and as it is, you very kindly offered that you would be taking their queries whenever they approach you. You're going to give them a link also. They can approach you as a bhaiya for mentorship and for hiring also. So that's very kind of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Devansh, for doing the introduction.
Thank you.
And
do fill this feedback form, ma'am. Do ask them to fill feedback form. so that
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Please do fill the feedback form. And you are free to approach Piyush Bhaiya because he's so kindly offered you. Any other doubts that you come across later, you may approach him for clarifying those doubts. And thank you so much, Piyush, for giving us your time. And I'm sure some of the questions were so very well answered that they've got an understanding now that they cannot blame others for all the confusions they have in mind. They have to start trying to solve those problems that they have. And you're getting a compliment. Suraj has just complimented you and he has called this session an awesome one. So thank you very much, Piyush,
Thank you.
for being so
Thank you.
patient with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Piyush. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Anshu ma'am, for hosting the session very well.